All right, so here we have a 2013 Dodge Ram with the 5.7 HEMI. We're going to do an oil change on it. We already have the oil cap off and the dipstick pulled. So right now we're looking at the oil pan and the drain plug. We'll go ahead and remove this to drain the oil. That's going to be a 1/2 inch wrench. Right, so we'll go ahead and put our drain plug back in. All right, now to get the oil filter off. All right, so here we have our new oil filter. We're going to go ahead and fill it with oil and lube our seal before we put it back up. Okay, so we'll go ahead and fill it up with oil. We're going to go with this quart, the one that we use for the filter. And then we're going to put 5 more quarts in and check it. So 6 quarts. All right, so we're in the middle of there. Let's go ahead and put our cap on. We'll start it up. Let it run for a few seconds, and then we will check the level again. All right, so it looks like it is going to be 7 quarts. Yeah, so it looks like we're right around here, so we need to add. All right, so we're right in the middle of our safe zone there, right? All right, so we're all set. 7 quarts.